you doing? What are you doing? What? There's nobody there but you. No. No. It's just you, dude. See?
Oh, no, live.
No, it's not live. So we're at the waterfall here in the backyard, having a little picnic. This is where we come swimming. There's my wife down there. She's probably TikToking or something. There's my kid's friend down there. There's a little pool that we swim in. Yeah. Super cool place. Roar, roar. Huh? It's the sound of the waterfall when it goes into over here. It makes it louder. Like it's like whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. It's very nice, very nice. Yeah, we just live on like a 1 minute walk through this little bamboo forest. Yeah, I love this place. I love it, I love it, I love it. I freaking love it.